I mean, Ratna ma'am, Diya, Fatima and we're four completely different women. Our life stories have been different.
All the legends together,
Yeah, so it was just such a special memory. It's like a full pitara of memories.
I want to know about it. कैसे आपको मौका मिला in इम्तियाज अली, रणवीर कपूर? So how was it? Hi everyone, my name is Nikita and joining me today is someone who started her Bollywood journey as a child artist and has been shining ever since. Sanjana, welcome to Har Zindagi.
Thank you.
Let's talk about योर मूवीज़ योर करियर. सो संजना, अगर हम बॉलीवुड की बात करें, जय वीरू है हमारे पास, मुन्ना सर्किट है, जिसमें हमें बॉयज़ फ्रेंडशिप जो है वो इतनी ग्लोरीफाइड तरीके से दिखती है एंड दे आर वेरी फेमस. बट यू हैव डन मूवीज़ लाइक धक धक, जिसमें गर्ल फ्रेंडशिप और गर्ल बॉन्ड हमें इतना अच्छा दिखा है, जिसमें स्टीरियोटाइप तोड़ रही हैं लड़कियाँ. सो प्लीज़ टेल मी कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था.
It was, it's that feeling of, I mean, Ratna ma'am, Diya, Fatima and we're four completely different women. Our life stories have been different. हमारे किरदार भी इतने अलग थे, पर वो 2 महीने जो हमने रोड पर बिताए, इतनी ज़्यादा मेरे लिए learnings, because Diya is like an inspiration for me in the advocacy work that I do, and Ratna ma'am is just she is like an icon.
All the legends together,
yeah. So it was just such a special memory. It's like a full pitara of memories for me that I can just keep picking out.
सो आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट गर्ल फ्रेंडशिप्स. क्या होता है ना कि बहुत से जो फ्रेजेस हैं वो ना मुझे लग रहा है लड़कियों को डाइवर्ट करने के लिए बनाए जाते हैं, जैसे कि औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है, लड़कियां एक दूसरे से जेलस हो जाती हैं, जबकि अगर आप गर्ल्स वॉशरूम में जाकर देखोगे ना तो वहीं पे वो एक दूसरे की लिपस्टिक ठीक कर रही होती है. ओ बेब, दिस कलर इज लुकिंग वेरी नाइस. सो प्लीज टेल मी अबाउट इट. लाइक, डू यू हैव एनी गर्ल फ्रेंड्स जिनके साथ आपका बहुत अच्छा बॉन्ड है?
ऑफ कोर्स. आई मीन, फर्स्टली मैं स्कूल कोएड में गई थी, पर मेरा कॉलेज ऑल गर्ल्स था. तो एक्चुअली मैंने वहाँ आई लर्न द पावर ऑफ सिस्टरहुड. इट्स लाइक एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू सेड. सडनली, क्योंकि मैं काम भी करती थी कॉलेज के टाइम, तो मैं शूट्स के लिए मुझे जाना पड़ता था और अटेंडेंस का बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाता था. सो माई गर्लफ्रेंड्स वुड कवर अप फॉर मी. Sometimes lie to the professors for me. Sometimes it's just, if it weren't for them, I couldn't have made it through. So I think sisterhood for me today is everything. I mean, I can talk about my deepest, darkest secrets with my girlfriends without even thinking about it, and I think it's the most special feeling.
So all those people who say things like that, क्या मैसेज रहेगा कि जो कहते हैं औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन होती है and all that?
I mean, I'm like, believe करना है और अपनी जिंदगी से इतना अगर special moments आपको you want to deprive yourself, then do it, but it's
आपका loss है, your loss.
Your loss.
अच्छा, so I want to talk about, like, हम गर्ल फ्रेंडशिप की तो बात करें, लेकिन क्या एक ऐसा रेड फ्लैग है जो कि आपके लिए तो बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा भाई फ्रेंडशिप में?
बहुत है. मैं फ्रेंडशिप को लेके काफी जज्बाती हो जाती हूँ.
I can see that.
My biggest red flag, I think, is I hate lying of any kind. Small, big, doesn't matter. And I think just there's this tendency sometimes now with the social media generation of showing more than there is. I think doing more and showing less goes a long way.
Exactly. And I feel जितनी भी low maintenance friendships होती है ना, they always last longer.
Yeah, and low maintenance in the sense that they don't need you to check in every 3 days.
हाँ, कि तुम अरे बड़े लोग हो गए हैं अब तो फोन नहीं करते, something like that.
But when the time comes, they will show up.
Exactly.
And that's what matters. But growing up, I think in your early 20s, it's all this takes time. When you grow up, then it becomes better. Yeah.
Talking about early 20s, like, you started your Bollywood journey when you were only 13 years old. So how was it like? कैसे आपको, I want to know about it. कैसे आपको मौका मिला in इम्तियाज अली, रणवीर कपूर? So how was it?
It was like a dream. It was like literally a unicorn dream, because I was just living my normal life in Delhi in school. मैं कथक dancer थी, और so it happened in a very filmy way. But all I can say is that I never had the guts to think I can ever try to become an actor. But the moment I landed on that film set, I felt like home. you know, there wasn't a second of feeling intimidated by the camera or by Ranbir, and I think that's when I knew that I can't let this go.
And your bond with Ranveer was so nice. I mean, हमें वो बेशक सिनेमा में थोड़ा कम टाइम के लिए दिखता है, बट जितने भी आपके सीन्स जिसमें आप लोग साथ में हैं, इट फील्स सो गुड यार.
That's so
बहुत
sweet.
अच्छा
Thank
वो
you.
लगा मुझे.
The fact that you can even remember it all these years
Yeah,
later
yeah,
is-
obviously. I remember your funky look, that black, और बिल्कुल ऐसे हाथों में सब पहना हुआ.
क्योंकि 14 साल हो गए हैं इस बात को.
Yeah, but my memory is very sharp.
That's so sweet.
So, अब मैं आपसे जितनी भी लड़कियां आपको इस वक्त देख रही हैं, उनके लिए क्या मैसेज रहेगा? क्या एक ऐसा पावरफुल डायलॉग आप देना चाहते हो टू ऑल द सिस ओवर देयर, जब भी वो ऐसा लो फील कर रही हो लाइफ में, तो वो उसको जब भी रिपीट करें सो दैट दे फील गुड?
I mean, मैं कुछ ऐसा, I wouldn't want to give any ज्ञान, but I can talk about what I'm trying to do these days. You know, I think you go through phases where you need to motivate yourself a little more than usual. And I am just trying to adopt an attitude of gratitude.
Oh, that's such a good line. Attitude for gratitude. Yeah.
Attitude of gratitude.
Of gratitude.
Yeah, where every chotu thing also, like whether it's that warm poha that you have in the morning with your chai, just to be grateful that those small things can happen in your day, and then I think the big things happen on their own. Sometimes we keep chasing the big things and look over everything we have. You know, good food, family, friends, and I think remembering that is always very important.
बिल्कुल. So before ending this conversation, I would want to ask, एक quote है कि women can have it all, but sometimes I just feel कि we don't want to have it all. ठीक है, अगर सब कुछ नहीं भी है, it feels like a pressure.
Right.
So आपका क्या कहना है like about this quote?
I genuinely believe that women can have it all. I fight if I'm ever tried to be dumbed down into believing that वो possible नहीं है. But I think at the same time it's up to each of us as women that what do we want. There's no judgment. I don't think you have to have a blazing professional career and only then you're successful. I think success comes in different ways. So each to their own, honestly. But it's difficult for us women. We have multiple pressures on us. But I do believe if we fight it through, we can have it all.
बिल्कुल. That's the spirit. Thank you so much, Sanjana. Thank you so much for talking to us.
Thank you.